Hey guys, and welcome back to another monthly favourites video. Today I'm going to be talking about all of the things that I've been loving throughout February. It's not a hugely long list this month, because I haven't really been wearing a huge amount of makeup as per last month. And you know, feel like I say it in every video, but I've just had a baby, so it's a little bit harder to get ready in the morning to the standard that I used to get ready to. But yes, nonetheless, I still have some things that I've been loving this month and that I've discovered this month, and I wanted to tell you all about them. And also to apologise about not uploading a video on Sunday. This video was supposed to go up on Sunday, but I just didn't get the chance to film it because I just got back from holiday on Saturday and I was supposed to pre-film it and I didn't get my ass into gear and do it in time. So yes, that is my excuse. So without further ado, let's talk about things that I've been loving. So the first thing is pretty much the only eyeshadow palette that I've used over the past few months, and it's the NARS Wanted palette. I believe this came out in January and it was limited to their new store for a while. Now it's like on the internet and everything, you can get it on ASOS and stuff. It's quite expensive, it's £55, but obviously NARS palettes are expensive. However, I've used this every day and I honestly think it's such a good versatile palette. When I first got it, I was like, wow, it's so pretty, it's all sparkly, and like didn't really pay attention to a lot of the more kind of neutral shades. I use this every day, I absolutely love it. As you can tell, have I used every single colour? I have, even that red one, which I didn't think I would use that much. It's just got everything. It's got some really like glittery, amazing shadows that you can foil and get like a really dramatic look on, and it's got also these kind of neutral everyday matte shades. They're quite warm, it's quite a warm tone palette, but I really like it, and I would definitely recommend it. Like I said, it's pretty much the only palette that I've been using over the past few months. I really like the quality of NARS eyeshadows as well. I find them to be pigmented enough to give you that like bang for your buck, kind of like what you want to achieve in an eyeshadow palette, but not too pigmented to the point where you have to blend for 5 hours to blend it out. So yes, I've absolutely been loving that this month. I've also been loving on the skincare front, and I know I had a moisturiser in last month's video, it was the Clinique Moisture Surge, is that what it's called? Yeah. And I still love that, but because I've been outside a bit more, I've just been on a ski holiday, I've also been using my Sarah Chapman Dynamic Defense. I know I usually use Skin Insurance, but I've run out of it, and I thought I'm going to use this up before I buy another Skin Insurance because they're £50, and I just thought I'm going to use this first. This is like the non-tinted version and it has less SPF in it. Skin Insurance has SPF 30, this has SPF 15, but it's still so good. I love it. It's a lot richer than the Skin Insurance, but it's just really, it's a really good moisturiser. My skin looks fresher after using it. It has SPF, and I like it. I like it a lot. But yeah, I'm a big fan of that, along with like every other product that Sarah Chapman's ever released, basically, because it's my favourite skincare brand. Another skincare product that I've been using this month is this little tin of magic stuff. This is the Lano All Over Golden Dry Skin Salve for exceptionally dry skin, hands, legs, arms, elbows, all over. I've been using this for me and also for my baby this month because it's really brilliant. It's basically lanolin and manuka honey. There's a couple of other ingredients, carnauba wax, castor oil, apricot oil, vitamin E, beeswax, like it's all natural. I've been using this on my lips because I've had super dry lips, also on my knuckles because I've had hideously dry hands since I've had the baby, because you wash your hands so much more and you're constantly like washing up things for the baby as well, like bottles and breast pumps and things like that. So I've been using it on my knuckles, on my lips, been using it also on the baby's cheeks and eyebrows, because after she had baby acne, that cleared up about 3 weeks ago. She just had really quite dry skin, especially like here on her cheeks and on her eyebrows, like where her like frown lines are. I say frown lines, she really does have frown lines because she frowns all the time. She's a very frowny baby. But yeah, I've just been using it on her loads, and it just really works a treat. If she's ever looking a bit dry, I'll put it on, and it does look a bit greasy when you put it on, but it like within an hour or so it's like kind of sunk in and it just looks really so much better. And it's in a really convenient little pot, so I just keep it in my handbag for me and her. Next up, for the dry hands as well, is the Chemistry brand hand hydrator, the HA3 hand hydrator. This is with hyaluronic acid and mango and Inca Ichi butter. This stuff is amazing for dry hands, like actually amazing. It is, the Chemistry brand is a Deciem brand, so you can buy it from the Deciem website, but you can also get it in Boots, I think. I bought mine from a standalone Deciem store. It smells really like fresh and fruity, like slightly lemony, but it is just so, it leaves your hands like baby soft and gets rid of that horrible, dry, just cracked, horrible hand feeling, which is, I'm pretty sure is very, very common this time of year. I get dry hands when it gets cold, I know that, but the combination of it being really cold and washing a million things every day, my hands are so dry. Another like body skincare item is bio oil. This is an obvious one post baby, but I actually used pretty much everything out there when I was pregnant to try and avoid getting stretch marks, and I still got them. I used everything bar bio oil at the start because I was like, it's not natural. I'd prefer to use something that's like more of a natural product on my tummy when I'm pregnant, blah, blah, blah. I think a lot of the time with stretch marks, like it is just genetic. It's the type of skin that you have, and you can't really avoid getting them. But I've actually noticed an improvement, like a marked improvement with them using this over the past 2 months since she's been born. As you can tell, I've used the whole bottle. I've just bought another one. I put it on once a day or twice if I can remember to do it twice, but at least once a day, all over my stretch marks. And because I had a C-section as well, the incision is now healed, so I put it all over that as well to try and minimise the scar from that. But I have stretch marks like on my tummy. I would show you, but I'm kind of a bit, like, I'm not feeling very confident about my tummy at the moment, my post-baby tummy. So I have stretch marks like up the front, like underneath my belly button, but above where my bikini like bottoms would be. So you'll be able to see them when I'm wearing a bikini. All down the front, it's like on either side, there's like a little mark on either side of my belly button, and then on my sides as well, like on my hips. But they have faded quite a significant amount since using this. So I'm hopeful that if I keep using it, they will be minimal. And stretch marks very rarely actually go away. I don't think you can ever get rid of them, but you can like shrink them down. And they're also red at the moment, and hopefully they're going to go silver, which is a bit less noticeable. And then last but not least, I've only got one more favourite. I'm jumping around all over the shop because it's another makeup favourite. This is Benefit's BadGal Bang. There's never been such hype about a product, I swear. This was a really, really hyped up release, and it's been very, very love or hate. And I spoke about it in my new in February video as well. And I had so many people comment on it being either, oh my god, I love it, it's amazing, or oh, it's rubbish, it's really clumpy. Yes, this mascara is clumpy, but I like it. I've used it pretty much every day. I'm actually not wearing it today because I just did my makeup in the other room when this pile of stuff was in here. It is clumpy, but it is really, really, really volumizing, really lengthening. If you like big fat lashes, like 60s style, like spider lashes, you got to try this because it's really, really good. If you don't and you want like defined, like perfect looking lashes, don't use it because it is quite clumpy. Yeah, so that is it for my February favourites. Hope you enjoyed it. Short but sweet this month. I hope you're all having a fantastic week, and I will see you again on Sunday. Hopefully this time I will actually see you on Sunday with a new video and I won't skip a video. I'm sorry. I'll see you very soon and have a great week. I said that already, I think. Bye.